either, but I would have said something to the coach. But hang on a second, this woman...
Yeah.
To be fair, if I saw her grab my card, I would have said, hey. And then she could have gone, I went up, she's got a smart child, so you've got no right to touch her.
Yeah.
That's not actually how the world problems get solved.
What is this? Imperial Roman times with an eye for an eye?
Yeah, exactly. Adele, you should be in the shower and I need your school stuff. Adele is pushing every button possible. I'm actually going to make her some bread and send her to bed, but you'll probably end up putting her to bed because she's...
That's fine. Maybe she's doing his reader in the back. He read some on the way there and some on the way to jiu-jitsu, and now he's turned his little reading light on and he's reading more.
Good job, buddy. Did you have fun, hey, man?